What is up, guys? It is the new Apple again, and today I'm back to unbox something rather unusual. This is not the new Samsung, not the new Xiaomi, not the new OnePlus. This is the Nokia 8110 4G. So from the box you can see we got some artwork on there, YouTube, Facebook, a little Neo right there as you can see. Other side, banana phone, the Matrix guys. Google Maps, Twitter, and that's about it. So I actually got this unit from Thailand. My friend brought it back from Thailand. Um, Pricing wise, I know the UK it is selling for £79. It will also be in Canada as well as the States, which the price are unknown yet. So let's go and unbox this. We got a little tape up here. Bam. Even the sticker is Nokia. Let's look closely. So I finally sort out the packaging tape. Now let's go ahead and open this up. All right. It's a little tab, I believe. Okay. So let's put the phone aside first and let's see what comes with the Nokia 8110. So pretty cheap packaging. You have the manual and the wall adapter. Oh, we actually have a pair of headphones. The battery, of course, and that is it. Okay, let's put this on the side and unbox the main attraction. Slide it out. Here you can see. All right, let's take out the packaging. Very curvy, as you can see. Okay, let's peel. Feels pretty nice, not as good as the Apple one. So, got your connector here, headphone jack, and that's it. All right, let's go and pop the back cover. All right. Got the battery here. Bam. Close it. And we got the power button here. And we do have some battery in there, powered by Kai OS. And of course, what everybody want to see is the sliding mechanics. Very cool. Got the camera in the back, flash, speaker. Very simplistic. Backlit keyboard. The classic Nokia startup ringtone. So I actually have the 3310, and all the features were there, but because it was a 3G phone, it was a little bit hard to use. You can't really, use it everywhere. Okay, let's select US. I really like the feel to it. All right, let me go ahead and set this up and I'll see you in a little bit. So I've got the Wi-Fi set up, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at what's in here. Call log, contacts, message, camera, of course, snake, clock, calendar, music, gallery, email. Yeah, definitely more featured than the 3310. No, recorder. Yep, and apps like Facebook, YouTube, you will have to download it from their store. But yeah, that's just a quick look. Close it, open it. close it, open it. Very convenient. I'll post more video of the in-depth look on this 8110, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.